Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirai Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on BEL. Analysts have upgraded the target price of the stock to Rs 445, factoring in the strong order inflow pipeline and order book. The Defense Ministry is likely to take up proposal for buying 3 regiments of the indigenous quick reaction surface-to-air missile system QRSAM. BEL is expected to receive an order worth Rs 30,000 crores in phased manner for QRSAM system. Defense Ministry has approved Rs 40,000 crore for emergency procurement. BEL is expected to secure contracts, boosting local defense production. BEL boasts a promising order inflow pipeline and expect an order inflow of 60,000 crores, including QRSM orders, in FY26. Management has given guidance of 15% revenue growth with margins at 27%. We are factoring revenue profit growth of 17% CAGR over FY25 to 27 respectively. Next, we have an update on Shree Cement. Analysts have increased earning estimate for FY26-27 considering management's clear focus on driving profitability through pricing and cost optimization. Management's emphasized prioritizing profitability rather than maximizing sales volume. For FY26, it expects volume growth of 2 to 3%, lower than industry estimates of 7 to 8%. The company stated a 5 to 6% price rise, targeting a 9% revenue growth and an EBITDA to ton of Rs 1400 for FY26 versus 1070 per ton in FY25. The company has a cash reserve of Rs 5500 crore and is evaluating options to reward shareholders, with a decision expected later this year. Shree Cement continues to prefer organic growth, aiming to reach 18 MTPA by FY30 or possibly earlier. The stock currently trades at 17.7x and 15.6x EV to EBITDA for FY26 and 27. We maintain buy rating with a revised price target of Rs 33,400. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.